So what I did, I disconnected the power from the light and I used the power wire for the light to power the fan, and then I cut this plug where it goes into that circuit board there. That's the 5 volts to power the LED light. And then what I did was I soldered them onto the wire or the power supply that powers the back fan. There's no need to get a masonry drill and drill a 14mm bolt hole through the fridge, through the housing. You don't have to do any of that. At the end of the day, we've all got these strip lights that make well more than enough light to be able to see what's going on inside your fridge. Kings, yeah. And that's pretty much it. When this fan turns off, so does this one. Falling apart, eh? Yeah. That's pretty much it. So 12 volt here, it goes into here, and then it goes into there. Then I splice it onto the power wire for the bulb light, and now it's powering the fan. Have a nice day.